Do you want to learn how to quickly sign out of your Mail app on the iPhone? In this video, I will show you the steps for signing out of Mail, quickly and easily. After watching this video, you'll be able to sign out of any email account and protect your privacy. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Mail. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, tap on Accounts. And now you will see all of your different accounts for your email on your iPhone. At the top, you'll see your iCloud account, which is your main account and is needed to use your iPhone. And under that, you'll see any other emails you added. So for example, I can tap on Gmail, and am logged into the Mail app using this exact Gmail account. So if I want to sign out of the Mail app from this account, I can simply toggle this off. And if I want to remove this exact account from my iPhone, I can just tap on Delete Account. And then, Delete from my iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.